somewhat pretty simple. They have these clips right there. Kind of have to push in like that, and then it should all this slides out. So when you push in towards the light, it kind of releases that clip that holds. They're pretty easy on Camaros there. Obviously you don't want to break it. See, that just slides. But it's obviously kind of hard with oh Christ, let me see if I can do this without I'm gonna show you guys exactly, but it's plain hard to get, yo. It's exactly that part. There you go. And just do the rest with your finger. And yeah, that she blows. Obviously, we could I don't know, remove this like And then from there, obviously, we're going to twist. Oh, bear with me now. It's only one hand. So it already has some type of LED on here, but they're kind of giving out. Now, LED, fresh LEDs. Now the problem with LEDs is when you install them, it's a polarity. You have to hook it back up. You want to make sure it actually turns on. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do both. Go inside the car, make sure they actually turn on. If not, obviously you have to flip it, but I'm gonna just hook this up before I put the entire casing back. So this one's on, so let's go ahead and hook that up there. Like I said, bear with me. This is a one-handed job. Get it? No? All right. So give me a sec, guys. Voila. So this one's in. Now let's go do the other side. Same thing. It's pretty much in the same. Just off. Just off. That's hooked on. Now let's go ahead and start it up. I hope it works. The keys. Those are on. I gotta make sure these are on. Alright, so cool. So this one's on. Obviously, now we gotta just swap the other side. And voila, these are good. Now let's just turn off the car. Put it back to regular. To auto. Obviously, turn off fogs. Alright, calm it down. And obviously, let's hook these back up. You're playing hard to get. Well, let me do it without the connection first. That's one. Not easy. Yep. Oops. Make sure that fits in the slot. There we got that. Oh. Where did we leave the other one, ladies and boogers? Oh. Where'd the other one go? Put it inside. Hope not. Look who got it.